At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I'm back again with another video. The Independent Commission of Investigations, INDECOM, has described as concerning a 22% rise in fatal shootings by the security forces in 2024 compared to 2023. In its quarterly report for the October to December period, INDECOM reported that 189 people were killed by the security forces in 2024, up from 155 in 2023. So my people who not hear what go on from what I go on, una have to take INDECOM serious, because when the people them dead, when the people them dead are, what should I say, when the police them kill the people them, according to them a shootout, members say INDECOM always investigate them the case there. Member good. INDECOM come out and say 1,323 killed by security forces between 2015 and 2024. When I hear them things, yeah? When I hear these things, mighty God of Daniel, Andrew Holness come up with a bad idea. The bad idea where Andrew Holness come up with is for just kill out the man them. Even if I not shoot out, for just kill them. And that is Andrew Holness crime plan, So, they must say them are going to just kill them away to peace. I don't believe that's how it work, I don't believe that's how it work. And that idea is not a good idea. It's not a good idea. You ever hear one saying, say, from one gun, another one born? You never hear them saying there? I don't know how Andrew Holness kill them way to peace. I first me ever hear sitting go like this. I first me ever hear government kill them way for peace. No, sir. My people, you see, if I saw them continue, it's only going to get worse. If this is the way they are going, it's only going to get worse. It's not going to get better. It's not going to get better. Anyway, my people, I'm going to leave that alone. Taking this.
Dear Jamaicans, morning again. You make me fix my bonnet on my head properly. So, I get to understand, say, Cliff Hughes and Nationwide and them people here, George Davis, whoever this is, they are basically making fun of two senior comrades attending a PNP meeting over the weekend. So for those of you who want the backstory, Nationwide is basically trying to say that the PNP is desperate because comrades KD Knight and Bobby Pickersgill, both who are senior citizens over 80 years old, needed assistance to go on the platform at a political meeting put on to introduce KD Knight's daughter as the PNP candidate. So, stick up in. Stacey Knight is being presented as the MP candidate for Northeast St. Andrew. And Labour rights are saying it is desperate for her father, who just had hip surgery, by the way, had a fall, had a little issue, and had surgery. Decided to come LRI water him after him daughter presentation. And that is desperate. Because the man want to go to him daughter presentation. And Comrade Bobby Pickersgill, who has been retired from active politics from 2020, is an issue if he wants to attend the meeting, which was basically down the road from where he live. Oh, that makes sense. Now bear in mind that Comrade Bobby Pickersgill is 82 years old and retired from active politics in 2020. Comrade KD Knight is 83 years old and retired from active politics in 2015. Right? 10 years, 5 years and 10 years. So, well in them 70s. But stick up in and look at this now. Wanna watch this. Who is this? Who is this? Who is that? Wanna talk to me there? Who that? Who is that? The Honorable Lester Mike Henry. You know how old him is? In June 2025, Lester Mike Henry will be 90 years old. Him retire from politics yet? When him retire, me need a labor right to tell me when Lester Mike Henry retire from politics. KD Knight and Bobby Pickersgill are younger than Mike Henry and both have retired long time and only come out to support Stacey Knight. But you know have Lester Mike Henry in parliament and have the audacity to complain. You cannot be the same labor rights who paraded Seaga's casket with him supposed remains all across the island. You're talking about leave the people them to own and retire when you actually walk around with caskets with remains parading at the meetings. It can't be the same labor right them. NNN, really, you really want to go there, NNN? You really want to go there? If I were you, I'd sit this one out. Me would have sit this one out. Because Comrade KD Knight and Comrade Bobby Pickersgill don't owe you no explanation for why them want to attend a political meeting. Right? Them not in a casket like Eddie Seaga. Wanna have everywhere at every rally and every political meeting till you claim say you're ready for put him in the ground. Don't start with us today. Listen, tread carefully, you know. Tread carefully. You can't say we never warn you. Tread carefully. Leave people and them age alone. Leave people and them age alone. Leave people and them age alone. When Mike Henry retire, you come talk to me. Until then, just tread carefully and hold your corner. I thank you. Have yourself a great day.
Then my wisdom warriors. Una sister George Davis no have no damn sense. Una see him face in your corner or tough. Eh? Una see him face or tough like board. Dirty George Davis out there chat off him out. If the people them want to turn up, if the people them decide say they want to turn up at the meeting, nothing wrong with that. Actually, it is an honor for them to be there. It is an honor. You know, so on backwards, on really backwards. Nationwide, on set a nincompo. Me at half of the press I tell you now. My wisdom warriors, for the senior citizens to be there, nothing wrong with that. And them know say, Mr. Knight always there. Them know that. And I like say them no know. Them know say him always support PNP. Nothing wrong if the elders them want support PNP. That for show you them loyalty. So when una come out and una talk about KD Knight and una talk about the other man, me can't remember fame name. Like seriously, how una pick the bean out of PNP eye and una no pick you out of Funo eye? Look pan Mike Henry. Look pan Mike Henry. He is still in politics. He is still in politics. The PNP elderly, they're not in a politics. Them support the PNP all the time. Nothing wrong with that. But you don't have nothing for campaign with. You don't have nothing for run with. You know, say, you really desperate. You know, out here talk about PNP desperate. The only thing PNP do is telling the truth and expose the truth and standing up for truth and right and standing up for the Jamaican people. That's all the PNP do. That's all the PNP do. That for sure, say Funo party is a wicked party and Funo party needs to be dismantled. Seriously. Seriously. And I agree with Right Mango. Talk about Mike Henry. Talk about Mike Henry before you come out and throw dirty water over somebody else's yard. Talk about Funo yard. Hello?
From the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Dr. Dayton Campbell, General Secretary of the People's National Party. As a medical doctor, I must speak plainly. What's happening at the Kingston Public Hospital is a public health emergency. 18 out of 20 areas tested at KPH showed dangerously high levels of mold on walls, ceilings, and even in the air patients and staff are breathing. Operating theaters have been shut down, surgeries delayed, and both healthcare workers and patients are being forced to operate in a facility that poses serious health risk. Let me be clear. More like this can trigger asthma, cause infections, and severely impact those who are already vulnerable. This is not just a building issue. It is a life issue. It's a leadership issue. How can the government stay silent when Jamaica's largest public hospital is literally falling apart? The People's National Party is calling for immediate action, full remediation of all affected areas, a national hospital audit, and a proper plan to protect the people who protect us, our doctors, nurses, and also the patients. We also demand answers. Who knew and why was nothing done? This is about lives, and the time for excuses is over. We stand with Dr. Alfred Dawes in demanding accountability and urgent action. Jamaica deserves better.
Visitor
My wisdom warriors, it seems like Andrew Holness want everybody to dead off. It come like you no see what go on. You no see what is going on. Look from when me hear Dr. Dawes a call upon the government. Look from when. You understand? And then turn a blind eye. Them turn a blind eye. Even the other doctors them from overseas will come and work for free. Them volunteer and work for free in the hospital of Jamaica, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, look from when the doctor them talk about the problem. The problem is not only about the building. It's more than that. It's more than that. It's not about equipment. It's more than that. People's lives are at risk and the government turn a blind eye to it. Everything then take for joke. Every single thing then take for joke. You understand? And to how me see it, Andrew Holness don't give a shit because other day and read out budget presentation, me no hear him say nothing about the healthcare. You no hear him say something? I don't hear Andrew Holness utter a word and say anything about the healthcare system. The people, they want CT scan, they want MRI, they want all type of machine they want in the hospital. And Andrew Holness now look, if I'm not charity, donate sitting to the hospital, they not get it, Jamaica. They not get it. And on a dirty kin labor right, come under this comment section. This comment section, when Dayton attack and is laughing. You could never live in a Jamaica. We are laugh and I talk about PNP desperate because PNP come out and attack truth. One of the things say a lie, the man I tell. The man a real doctor, And I like Christopher Tufton, Remember good, Christopher Tufton and a doctor, dirty kin labor right for know that, Christopher Tufton, Andrew Holness, none of them are a doctor, One somebody a doctor, and it is that man, Horace Strong. And him in the wrong position. See? And we have real doctors in the PNP, medical doctors too, come out and explain. Come out and explain to you about lives at risk. And the labor right there mocking and laughing and stuff like that. I can't believe all some of no serve no purpose pan land. Because if I saw no think about brothers and sisters, what who do? Me no rate labor rats. Seriously. Me no rate because Dr. Daz come out and talk about the healthcare. The whole I laugh and think it's a joke thing. But yet I see one guy at the hospital and when problems start, start ball. Andrew Holness really not care, If we spin the page and go back during pandemic, remember say Andrew Holness called general election, in a pandemic, my wisdom warriors. I saw me know so that man is a wicked blouse and skirt man, And this so make me wise up, And that make me wise up, And I remember when they did a keep some party. Me not really sure if I did Rick's Cafe, yeah. I'm not sure, yeah. But it was one of them. I think I did Rick's Cafe, If I never risk it for one other place, my wisdom warriors. Yeah, there was supposed to be a party and, it was during pandemic and stuff like that. And they still make it go on. And the people, they attend and out. That's why a lot of people die. Understand me? And that make me open up my eyes. That is when me start to open up my eye and say, what wait? This a government, yeah. This is a life and death situation. But yet, him call general election. And you want to see the labor rights, them fool your fat. Then risk them life and whole heap of people dead. You understand me? You see, from Andrew Wellness called general election, from then time there, we should have really vote out Andrew Wellness, Andrew Wellness no mean we no good, Jamaica. Andrew Wellness no mean we well. Andrew Wellness no mean we well. Because if you are the Prime Minister and you are going to call a general election during a pandemic, you're a wicked man. You're wicked. You understand? And I own no labor rights, me say out here. A cheer on Andrew like Andrew is doing good. Andrew is not doing good. Amount of things Andrew wants to go do and he don't do it. Look how much things he say I go do and he don't do it. Daryl Valls. He say how am I go get out the yellow bus and start the yellow bus for run in a January. Me not talk the rural system, Remember say in a Portland, he promised them the yellow bus. Remember in a Jamaica. And he said it go roll out from when? No. These people only promise on. I'm going to tell you the next thing with them do. They will start it for you, and when you look 2 months later, them stop it. So, listen to me. Andrew Wellness, they're on a different path. Because me hear Andrew Wellness talk about everything. Andrew Wellness take 10.1 billion every year for the JCF. How much care and sit no come in? I mean, I see no ambulance. Me not see no ambulance. People them a quarrel about machine, not at the hospital, medication and all these things. And they're not doing anything about it. So how can we say Andrew Wellness care and love the people of Jamaica? He doesn't. He's a very selfish man. He is, and we need to get him out. We need to vote him out, Jamaica. And the time is now to do that. We have to change that. Else we are going to fart. You know hear me? We are going to fart. My wisdom warriors, I want you to take a good look at my screen. And I want you to read with me. You see that one here? I want you to read that one here with me. Me have to really laugh when I see it. Samuda warns of serious action against illegal miners. He issued the warning this week during a tour of the Swift River Valley in Portland, where he said there have been numerous reports of mining operations in the river valley. Me people, the other day, me come out and talk about the river. And not only me alone talk about the river, And not only me alone. But I came out and I talk about the river. Me even show how the river look now and how the river did look before. Don't it, me people? All right. So, Minister with responsibility for water and environment, Matthew Samuda, has warned of heavy fines of up to 10 million against persons engaged in illegal sand mining. So, Matthew Samuda is now saying people is doing mining over there, doing illegal mining over there, over Swift River Valley, and the government don't know about it. Hey, and look which part them are do it. In a Western Portland, and nobody no know. So you tell me say anybody can just go mine out over Western Portland, and not even the MP no know about it. Uno no know about it. Mighty God, I want to believe but I can't believe Hey, Chrissy, I hear that one, yeah? Chrissy, are you hearing this? My wisdom warriors, my well-thinking Jamaicans, take a look and a listen to this.
We are currently touring the Swift River Valley in Western Portland. We have been inundated over the last few days of reports of mining operations in the river valley. And whereas some mining in a limited way is indeed required and it functions as river training, there are some operations that we've encountered which are outside of the regulatory framework and acting illegally. We will be taking the necessary regulatory action, and that will be bolstered by actions from both the Mines and Geology Department, and of course NEPA, who has both joined us, and they'll be supported by the JCF, who are on tour with us as well. The reality is we are concerned, and our capacity to monitor our rivers is indeed limited. So we do appreciate when citizens step forward and give us a heads up when there are issues in spaces, and I assure citizens that we will take the strongest legal action when we encounter these issues. We will be convening a joint task force with members of the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, members of the Ministry of Agriculture, Fisheries and Mining, and of course NEPA and the Mines and Geology Department, because ultimately we have to do an assessment as to where we are with river mining and whether we can continue in some areas and which areas require much stricter enforcement. We are advising and encouraging those who are mining illegally or outside of the terms of their permit that the laws have changed. There are heavier fines than there used to be. Desist from doing so, because you will be brought to book and you will face heavy fines of up to $5, in some cases $10 million.
So my wisdom warriors, una tell me say, look pan at the place there. Look, you can see say work a go on there quite a while now, my people. And them the big old tractor and them the big old sitting there with me see there. Over there, big work a go on over there, you know, in a Western Portland. And the MP live over there. Every day up and down pan road. And you are tell me say, them no know about it? Wait. The government of Jamaica don't know about this? And who una a fool? Who una really a fool? Who una really a fool? My wisdom warriors, me go play about the video with the lady. Yeah? Me go play about the video with the lady. What the lady say. Yeah, because then things that we are idiot, you know. We are not idiot. We are dissect this.
This is the destruction of the river. Again, this used to be a beautiful swimming hole. This is the destruction that is taking place here in Portland at Swift River. Just because of greed and because of the silence of the people that live around there. Nobody speaks out against it. See there? See the tractor and the truck? This is what we're dealing with. We dealt with this in 2018. The Jamaica Environmental Trust came out and they did something. And now this is where we are again.
My wisdom warriors, wanna hear what she said? From 2018, that has been going on. And what did she say? She said the Environmental Trust came out and did something. Yeah, maybe then do them checks or whatever. Yeah? So you are telling me, say, the Environment Health Trust or whatever they call it came out and then do whatever they do. So you tell me, say, the government don't know about it. My wisdom warriors, me I go tell you something. I don't believe Mata Samuda. I don't believe them. The MP live in a Portland. The MP up and down every day in a Portland. A big walker going over there. Big mining. You know say? Big mining are going over there. They have to know about it. Them have to know about it. But they lied to the people continuously. They lied to the people continuously. So matter some other, when you come out and go and like say a first news to Uno stop it. Uno fi stop it, man. Enough is enough, man. Uno take Jamaican people for fool. I want Uno really look for over there, so. I want Uno mine over there. I want Uno mine over there. What is really going on? Look on the nice river and Uno dig it up. Why Uno dig up the river, so? It has to be a reason, Jamaica. It has to be a reason. It has to be a reason. And then Mata Samuda say, how them a go charge people and them a go this and that people are one bag of something because illegal mining are going over there. Me can't come to the understanding of the MP live over there. The MP a fix road every day up and down, a drive up and down in a day. Jamaica Labour Party truck. And you tell me say they don't know what is happening to that river. Really? Really, Jamaica? You can't fool some people, you know. But you can't fool everybody. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think, wanna tell me how you feel about all this. Put on honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome me people. Me want to run over to my second channel, subscribe and get me to 5K. Tell a friend about Haffi the Press. Blessings upon blessings. One love.